welcome to your weekly briefing on AI for the week ending 24th August 2025. Let's get started. Kicking things off, major industry players are forming powerful alliances. In the world of consumer tech, Apple is in early talks with Google to use a Gemini model to power an upgraded Siri. This potential partnership aims to enhance Siri's voice AI capabilities as competition from companies like OpenAI heats up. Meanwhile, in professional sports, Microsoft and the NFL have extended the strategic partnership. This multi year deal will bring technologies like Microsoft Copilot and Azure AI to the sidelines to improve workflows and sideline evaluations. But the path to AI dominance is not always smooth. Meta is reportedly restructuring its AI operations due to internal tensions. The overhaul follows aggressive hiring and significant infrastructure investments, signaling the immense challenges companies face in the pursuit of scaling artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Rapid growth in AI is creating an enormous demand for power and data infrastructure. Citing skyrocketing energy needs from tech manufacturing, Nvidia has suggested nuclear energy as essential for Taiwan's AI growth. Here in the US, Vantage Data Centers has announced a massive $25 billion AI data center campus in Texas, one of the largest infrastructure investments in the industry's history. However, this boom has a direct cost for the public, as surging AI infrastructure from tech giants like Amazon and Google is pushing up the electricity rates for consumers and small businesses nationwide. With that rising energy use comes a growing focus on AI's environmental footprint. In a new transparency initiative, Google has disclosed the resource consumption for its Gemini model. According to the report, a single Gemini query uses the energy equivalent of 9 seconds of TV viewing and consumes 5 drops of water. This disclosure is fueling industry debates and setting new standards for transparency. Meeting these infrastructure demands requires creative solutions. In a remarkable example of adoption, an abandoned school in rural Japan has been transformed into an AI data center. The facility, equipped with 120 Nvidia GPUs, addresses both energy and space challenges and demonstrates how communities are repurposing existing resources for AI computing. From computing to the classroom, AI is taking on new roles in education. South Africa's government has introduced Iris, its first AI teaching robot. Iris is designed to enhance classroom learning, boost teacher efficiency, and address educational disparities. This represents a milestone for AI adoption in developing nations and could help bridge critical educational gaps. AI is also becoming more integrated into our daily work. Microsoft Excel's new Copilot feature now uses AI to intelligently populate spreadsheets. This integration streamlines data tasks and accelerates productivity in business and analytics, representing Microsoft's continued push to embed AI across its productivity suite. In the financial world, Coinbase is forecasting an AI driven payment revolution. The company predicts that stablecoins will become the default currency for AI systems that handle microtransactions. This highlights how AI could reshape financial systems by creating demand for digital currencies optimized for machine to machine transactions. But as AI becomes more capable, safety concerns are growing. After reports surfaced of Meta allowing romantic AI interactions with minors, Senator Josh Hawley announced an investigation raising alarms about child safety on AI platforms. In a tragic story that highlights the dangers of AI deception, a 76-year-old man died while traveling to meet a Meta AI chatbot he believed was a real person. This incident puts a spotlight on the real world dangers of emotional manipulation by AI systems. On a brighter note, AI is set to redefine entertainment and gaming. Microsoft's gaming lead has revealed that the next generation Xbox will include dedicated AI hardware. This promises transformative gameplay experiences such as environments and characters that adapt in real world. Meanwhile, Nvidia is pushing the performance envelope with its new GeForce RTX 50 series GPUs. They feature DLSS 4 technology, which uses AI to generate up to 3 additional frames for every one rendered. yielding performance increase of up to 8 times. Finally, AI continues to be a powerful catalyst for scientific discovery. In medicine, researchers successfully used CRISPR prime editing to correct mutations in the brains of mice, bringing gene editing for neurological disorders one step closer to human application. In the humanities, Google's DeepMind developed Aeneas, an AI model that can accurately restore and contextualize damaged ancient Latin inscriptions, aiding historians. And at the University of Hawaii, a novel method was introduced to improve how AI discovers the governing laws of complex systems from noisy real world data. With that, we come to the end of the show. Support our work by joining us as a member. In any case, like, share, subscribe, and we hope that we'll continue watching the AI with Arun show.